I'm not traveling. I have a friend who just went on a cruise. I hope she comes back okay.
Tonight at 6, the coronavirus outbreak hits the Magnolia State. From the Pine Belt to the Metro, Mississippians are stocking up to help fight the virus.
Now, the first case of coronavirus has made its way to Mississippi.
The Mississippi State Department of Health is addressing the case and providing new recommendations. 12 News' Linnea Lewis has the story.
The Mississippi State Department of Health says that they're monitoring the spread of the coronavirus, but they're asking people not to panic, but instead take preventative measures.
If you're sick and worried, call your clinic, call your provider, call your doctor, and let them take care of you.
That's exactly what the first coronavirus victim did in Mississippi. An adult male who just came back from Florida started feeling symptoms of COVID-19. He called his physician and self-quarantined at home.
So in general, travelers are not going to be at especially high risk unless you've been to an area of a lot of transmission. So people who are traveling, across the state lines and stuff, just because you traveled doesn't mean you need to quarantine yourself.
So far, the state has tested more than 42 people for the virus. Although this number is pretty small, they're asking organizations and companies to avoid large gatherings where there's more than 250 people, especially for those 65 and older.
Consider restricting visitation of this manner until further notice. Keep signs that discourage all non-essential visitation, and definitely prohibit anyone who's ill from entering the facility.
To help stop the virus from spreading through Mississippi, Dr. Dobbs is reminding people to wash their hands, cover their mouth when they sneeze or cough, and look out for symptoms like fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath. If you feel like you have any of these symptoms, state leaders are urging you to call your physician instead of arriving at the emergency room. In Jackson, Linnea Lewis, 12 News.